Okay, welcome back. Today is 1684. Count the number of consistent strings. So we're giving a string allowed, consisting of distinct characters and an array of string words. A string is consistent if all the characters in the string appear in the string allowed. So you have to return the number of consistent strings in the array words. Okay, so you have a string which are the allowed characters and an array words with lots of strings here. And through at each element, you can only use these characters. That is the problem. Uh, so you just have to loop and check if it has different characters. If it has different characters from what is here, it's not consistent. If it doesn't, then you increase the counter by 1. Yeah, let's see. So here's AB, AD, D is not present in AB, so no. B, D is not present, so no. A and B are present, so yes. BA, yes. And here it's not because of the D. So you have a counter of 2. Yeah. Example 2 allowed is ABC. So A you have yes, B you have yes, C you have here yes, AB you have here yes, AC, BC, and ABC. So all of them are consistent. Increase the counter by 7, right? Example 3, CAD. So C you have here, so yes, ACD, ACD, yes. B you don't have, B you don't have, B you don't have, B you don't have. Here you have, and D you also have. So increase by 4. Yeah, should be like, so you need a counter. You know that we need a counter. We also need to go through every words. So you use a for each. Oops. So for each words as word, here you need to compare if this is if this has all the elements from the allowed. However, working with strings can be a little bit messy. So I'll transform them in an array because it's easier to compare values in an array. So, so in this case, word equals str split. So I transform this into an array, and now I say, oh yeah, and I also need the allowed. It's going to be also an array. So it's easy. Now just compare if they have a difference in them. If they have different character or different element in this case, it's not consistent. Here I compare the word and allowed. Yeah. So if there's no difference, you increase the counter by 1, and after the for each, you just return the counter. Yeah. I've tried it a couple times. Yes, so we got it. So remember that when you're working with strings, sometimes it's a good trick is to transform them into an array, and there will be like built-in functions, or it will be easier to work and solve the problem.